Put your hand up if you are having trouble writing social media posts. How hard is it to schedule those dang things out, right? Well, currently, while I'm recording this video, I will share my screen and show you I am letting ChatGPT, OpenAI, do all of the work for me. Here it is at hard at work. So all I did, it's typing, so let me scroll up. All I did was go to our Instagram channel. I found a post that I liked that talked about quizzes, because that's who we are, Interact Quizzes. And I pasted it into, it's too busy. Well, let me show you. I pasted it into ChatGPT, or rather the playground in OpenAI, and I asked it to create another post using the same style as what I had put in. Here we go. It stopped. So you can see right here, write another Instagram post using the same style as this post. And here's the copy and paste of the post I took from Instagram and put in here. Here's the new version right here in green that I got back. Perfect. It includes hashtags that are relevant to the hashtags that I used before. It's saying things that speak to why somebody would want to use a quiz, why it's an effective lead magnet to put onto your website. And then I asked OpenAI to write 3 more versions of the same post using the same style. And that's where it was hard at work when I originally shared my screen. So here it is, version 1, version 2. And then if I hit submit, it'll finish version 3 for me as well. It adds the emojis, it adds the hashtags. There we go. Adds the hashtag. So literally it even adds these little spacers that we put into our posts as well. So it really is doing all of the work for us. But it's not to say that you can't get creative and put your own spin on those posts as well. If you're having a hard time recreating content that you maybe already made, right? Repurpose the content that you've already created, spent so much time creating, simply by putting it into a tool like OpenAI or ChatGPT, asking it to create the same version, the same style of the content, or rather a different version of in the same style of content that you've already made, and your work becomes so much easier. You will save yourself so much time and such a headache from, you know, the dread of just staring at a blank screen and trying to get something out there so that you can, you know, beat the algorithm, stay consistent with the content that you're posting. So this, my friends, is how you are able to repurpose content simply by using ChatGPT or AI.